And there's the big guy. As you can see, very happy about everything.
That's good stuff.
Brave. Big and brave. Michi, Michi, come here. Come here, Come on, what are you doing over there? Oh, he's got a poo. So that's the big brave one right there standing next to the white one. Big brave. Very happy about everything. And wandering away. There's my little handsome man. Oh, there's my favorite. He's so cute. And then back there. He's a little unsure, not quite as brave. She's waving something. He's thinking about it. A little less curious as to what's going on. As you can see, these two quite a bit more interested in what's going on. He's very, very happy about everything. And the white one's kind of in between.